secrets, hot dog man, or I'll cut off your hot dog. Wait! Oh, no! She knew where it was all this time. Quick, hop on my back. I'll find that traitorous melon.
You know what that means.
Get that motherfucker.